For flexographic plate making, we load the file specified in the work instructions and load the material into the exposure unit. The exposure unit exposes the material for plate development using ultraviolet lights. We then assemble the images for the plate in the TIFF assembler. Then begin loading the plate in the digital imager. Inside the digital imager, lasers write the image directly onto the plate. We unload the plate and inspect it for any defects. Then put it back into the exposure unit for final exposure. We do this twice on both sides to create the floor of what will be a raised impression. We then take the plate to a thermal developer. Load our settings, and the thermal developer will feed the plate around a water-cooled drum. Inside the thermal developer, it is preheated by an infrared heater as it revolves around the drum. The monomer around the burned image begins melting. As the plate rotates on the drum on the back of the thermal developer, it comes in contact with the developer roll by means of a heated roll. The developer roll pulls the melted monomer off the plate as it rotates on the drum. Exclusively using heat, it eliminates solvent washout and drying steps. It ejects the thermally processed finished plate ready for finishing. The operator cuts the plate to the work instructions specifications. And gets the order ready for the kitting department to mount the plate. For the offset plate making process, we load the plate into a multi-plate cartridge. Inside, using suction, it lowers the plate onto a drum, wraps it around the drum, operator loads the image, and it exposes and writes the image using laser technology. Upon completion, it lowers itself down to the developer unit and automatically feeds it through. The developer unit uses a solution to process the plate. It begins washing away the area around the image. It's now ready for registration to be punched and to be taken to the press for print production.